All right, we have a Raypak boiler that won't fire up. Okay, over here. UNS. So these relays. We got stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's all your switches, bypass it. But we have a problem with boiler 2. So we turn the boiler on. And down here, first thing you do is you turn the pump on actually. You turn your pump on, yeah, turn them all off. You're gonna find boiler 2, pump 2, turn that on, you can hear it click on. Then we're gonna tell the boiler to turn on. Boiler 2 on. And down here, it'll enable it here. You'll see these lights come on. All 4 stages if you actually do it this way. So boiler 2, 4 stages. Come on. Focus. Jeez, there it goes. Okay, you see one. Calls for heat. The first thing that should happen is you see flow from the pump. Pump's flowing. So we know we have flow. No, our pump isn't flowing. Oh yeah, it is. Right there, see the shaft down there? So, after it sees flow, which we have no flow light, it'll fire up the blowers. So, up here, the flow connection. Turn this off. Pull this off. Make sure your power's on. Pull that out of here. Get my fingers in there. Alright, there we go. Check continuity across this flow switch. Alright. Jimmy's gonna touch continuity. Okay, we got nothing.
No power.
Uh-oh. Well, that's a good thing.
No flow.
Alright. Over here. Check the flow switch. How'd that get there, man?
Get that off there, man.
Oh, man. That was bad, dude.
That's not the one, man.
That's the one, man. We gotta pull this off. We're not focusing good. There we go. Blurry, man. Look at that. It's not good. Right now, it should be made up. Okay.
There's your problem, lady.
Look at this. I'm gonna focus. So we have flow, and it's not made up. So if I turn that pump, let's see.
Turn the pump off?
Yeah, we can do that.
Pump 2, pump off.
There goes the flow switch. All right, went off. Okay, go ahead, try turn that one.
Pump switch on. Pump 2.
There it goes. Not made up. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Sticking. Now we're made up. We gotta see our boiler's off, right? Alright, so we turn the boiler back on. Call for heat. Oh, we didn't plug that wire back in. You're right. Very difficult to play it. I can't see. I got it right now. I got it backwards. We got it backwards. That doesn't help. Jesus, man. All right. Wow. That's a lot of wires. Where's that go? A lot of wires.
A lot of wires.
A lot of wires.
A lot of wires.
All right. Can you see that? Get back in here. All right. Here we go. Turn this on. There you go. Flow. Call for heat. No, I ain't running. There it goes. Boom. There.
Here it is.
Aha! He's running. Sticky flow. sensor again. Alright, so it's working now. Oh, she stopped. The boiler should shut off because it no longer sees any flow. Oh, you want to hit it? Units come on? Hit it. I want it on. I want to work it. There it goes. Okay, that was easy fix. Alright, second call for the day. Calling up for a chlorinator pump that keeps popping her breaker. Let's see what we got here. Pull down the... And watch the grate. I am saying that's our little guy right there. Okay. It said it keeps popping the breakers. You mean the GFI? I don't know which one. We got here, we got the controller here. What do we got here? Set. It says reset. Set. I ain't running. Sometimes it ain't told to be on. It's burned.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, there's your problem. Oh, right. Where's the breaker? Oh, all you want to do is follow the wires. Where the power wires come from? Up here, here, here. So these are the ribbies that tell them to turn on and off. Wire power up here. And down here. What do we got here? Not here. And not there. One of the hard parts is always trying to find out where the panel boxes are. Oh, I think we found it. Oh, we look tripped right over there. Chlorinator pump. Okay, we're tripped. Alright. On. It's tripped right now. So we gotta check. Camper.
What the hell?
Don't do that.
It's not.
So I just broke it. Alright, so we had a little mishap here, as you've noticed from the video. This little fitting has snapped off right here. It's it's MIP fitting. It's 1/4 inch going into the pipe, threaded to a 3/8 inch compression fitting. Okay, so we gotta do how much amperage we draw. It's upside down, but we'll read it. And if we look at our motor, so this is the wire for the motor. We're gonna plug it in. Controller. It just, oops, here we go. And this is not doing anything. Hang on a minute. Let's go plug her in here. It just hums. Plug this in here. Oh. This should be live now. And what we'll do is a screwdriver. And we're going to run the fucking screwdriver. Come on. Alright, we grab a screwdriver. And we're gonna make up the pump. Come on. And she just hums. That's it. Alright. Now, check it out. The motor actually does spin. See that? So we know not seized. You know the windings are good because she's just humming. So next, back here we're gonna take this cover off and see if there's should be a capacitor back there. Alright. So looking back here I don't see a capacitor. So what we're gonna do is take the whole motor off. We'll bring it over and have it repaired. Okay. Water off. Here. Here. Pull it out. Come on, man. Oh, man, he's always playing around, man. I can't get that little baby screw, man. Come on, man. Alright, gotta take this off.
Always seem to be playing.
There it is. We need one more screw. We're waiting for the dude. This dude right here. See him? He's always smiling.
Why are you always playing?
He's always f***ing with people, man. You gotta f*** with everyone,
Why are
man.
you always playing, Mark?
Come on, man.
Come on.
I thought you could fix anything, man. Oh, now you just shove a freaking screw into a little...
Trying to see like.
It's not working. I think you got it.
Maybe. Nope.
Nope. Yeah, man. See? You said you got it, man? Took them like 4 different screwdrivers to get it.
Well, you gave me the right one the first
Oh, it's always me, man.
Wouldn't have been involved.
Why is it always me?
Always you.
Come on, man. Let's pull this freaking thing out of here. We got people to see places, but we didn't even get to any exhaust fans today.
Yeah, because of you.
I know, but it's a rainy, non-rainy
Always
day, man. It's
playing
always
Why
me.
am I always one working?
Oh, really?
Ah.
Really?
Who's got the camera?
Who, really?
Who's got the camera? Look, I got it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Look, you broke
Look,
it, Mark.
look. You got
what you
anything,
did now.
any good parts in there? I don't
Oh,
see
yeah,
no.
look at
Oh,
that.
yeah, look at that.
Look at
I
that.
don't see any capacitors in that
Oh,
little
yeah,
bit.
they wired it wrong.
That's it,
Mark.
it'll do right there. That's the
Look at
controller.
that.
Yep, all right.
Wired it wrong.
All right. All right, see that there's no capacitor inside there. If you let them look right there. It's called a centrifugal switch. Chances are it's probably stuck open. So we're gonna take up to AAI and have them look at it. We went to Granger. We picked up some parts that we had to order. Got a big air handler here. It likes to kick out the overload, so we got some new heaters for it because the heaters were undersized. You can probably see right there, it fires up, see? There it goes. Alright, let's go, even though there's a panel box right here, you'd think that would be there, but it's not because these are only a 110 box. And we need a 208. Down the hallway, this panel. Over here, let's see, we got computer room, receptacle, lights, girls, boys, receptacle. Okay. This must be it right here. Crossing 142 exhaust fan. Yep. Shut down. And she's down. Okay. So we're gonna open this. This panel. Here. There we go. See, you can see the little. This is a UNS telling it to turn on. And these are our heaters right here. This is a 3 amp motor, and this thing only maxes out at 3.49 amps. Pick this up. Not yet. Alright. There's one. There's a little heater, see? Overloads, kicks it out. 2, we already went over this whole motor. The motor was actually redone last year. New bearings. We could use some new bearings on the shaft itself, but they're not bad. Greased them up pretty good. Let's see here. Get this out of here. The phone keeps kicking out. All right, there you go. Oh, yeah. There's 3 heaters. One's right here. There. Numbers. There's a number on the box. It's part number. 3 of them in a package, 3-phase. Get this in focus. We'll put one in first. Okay, slide that puppy in there. Slide it in. That. It's in like this. And like this. We actually went over. If you're wondering why we ain't checking the contacts and everything, we checked them all out, cleaned them all out, everything. It's a big unit. And it takes a little bit of time to fire up. And it runs about 3.1 amps per leg. So I'm gonna put this on here. All right, there it is. Snug them up. Right here, look, we are looking for B 3.9. This will be perfect. I'll change this to B. Right now it's on D. Right there. Oop. All right, let's go turn it back on. Right here. He's running. And we'll take that little meter out. 1-on-1. And it's running right now 3.2. We got 3 points. About equal. Alright, I think we're good. Okay. We're running. Voltage across the legs. You know what I'm saying? Between 2 and 2.
Ready, Marky?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I got nothing. There you go. You got 219.6.
Yep.
219.2, and then I'll have 2 outside ones. 220 ain't bad. How about in the bottom? Yep. 219 one. 218 6. 220. 218. 219. I think we're good, man. All right.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. What is it?
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
A wrap.
Wrap, 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 wrap,
Wrap, wrap, wrap, wrap, wrap, wrap.
Day. Back to the shop. There's my truck. Alright, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, just like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye for now.